Good day everyone. So today we're going to solve some problems about heating and dehumidifying. So first is number 7. So to solve for that, so in initial PV, so PSIT 70 degrees Fahrenheit times 0.50 is equals to 0.3632 times 0.5, then it will become 0.1816 PSIA. Then at 50 PSIA, so we need to find the PV2. So PV2 is equals to 0.1816 times 50 over 14.7. So the answer would be 0.6177 PSIA. So the answer would be PSAT is equals to 0.6177, then turn into degree Fahrenheit, so it will become 85.5 degree Fahrenheit. Next is number 8. So to solve for that, so at 50% saturation, so V1 is equals to 13.8 cubic feet per pound, and then at 100% reheated, so V2 is equals to 14.4 cubic foot per pound. So we need to solve the mass. So mass is equals to 10,000 over 13.5. So the answer will be 740.74 cubic foot per pound. Then lastly is for number 9. So delta W over W times 80 over 66 minus W 55, then it will become 0.132 minus 0.0092, so it will become 0.004 pound per pound. Next is to find the GPM. So GPM is equals to 1,500 times 0.004 over 13.8 times 8.33, so the answer would be 0.52 GPM. Then next is we need to find the Q reheat. Q reheat is equals to 1.08 times 1,500 times 72 minus 55, so the answer would be 275,400 BTU per hour. Then lastly is we need to solve for the same pound per hour, so it will become 275,400 over 960, so the answer would be 286.9 pounds per hour.